Hi, welcome to this new Triggre Weekend Masterclass episode. And this is part 4 of our 5-part series regarding the production management template. And in the previous episodes, we added functionality for adding maintenance, creating orders, receiving orders, and in this episode, we are going to apply the received orders into our inventory, because it's very nice, of course, that you can mark an order as received, but it's even better if you can automatically add those numbers to your inventory, so you don't have to do that manually. That's what I'm going to show you today. First in the application itself, and of course, after that in the designer. So what I did is when we go to admin, we have the all orders page. And technically for the user, nothing really changes because they can still process an order. The only difference is that as soon as they process the order, we are going to retrieve that quantity and add it to that specific part. In this case, let me show you, we have an inventory of, saddles of 6. If I would go to admin and go to all orders, process this order, which is 12. There you go. Yes, I'm sure. Process this order. And if I would go back to inventory, it should increase the number of inventory. There you go. 18 instead of 6. So we're above the minimum stock again. Everybody's happy. So let's go to the designer to show you how I've created this. Like I said, I didn't change anything into the functionality of the user. So actually, I only changed stuff at the flow parts. Well, I do have to find the right flow part. So let's go to the user flows first. I added a specific flow part to it, which is called recalculate inventory after receiving parts. Well, it has multiple inputs, the part, the quantity, and the user. And if I would go to this flow part, you see a calculation, an edit, and a log item. So technically what we do is we retrieve the current inventory of the part, add the received quantity to it, and then after that, we save that at the part itself. And in this case, I also added a log item so that I know that something changed in the inventory. So that's what we see here. Inventory plus quantity is the new inventory, and we save that at the part itself. Hey, I hope you liked this episode. If you do, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and of course, let's see each other next week.